Arimo barabetete na mbere na mugomo ba KUPPET nibonekete gukirithana na arutwo ba cukuru ya Chuka County na Tharaka Nithi bubujite nyuma ya arimo baba gukinya ome ya cukuru na kugeria kurita ku mwarimu munene wa cukuru yari nyuma ya kirege kwirikana nwe kumeneria mwarimu umwe wa kuria kugwatanirite na bange kiri mugomo nyuma ya geria yao ya kurita cukuru mwarimu jo munene nwe Joan Muchina arutwo nabo nibethire bakiumira na kugeria kurigiria ontu bobo arakuonekere bakirigie Rwanda ya cukuru yu nintitikano ire ijite onde ari murungu rwa KUPPET baugite batechoka kirasi ne mwanka mendekithie jao jaingwa. Martin Mugambi gatwecho na njira endiko.
Mugomo wa arimu ba KUPPET uthiete na mbere ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya muthenya we munthi urakinya gacumbiri gwa kiumia giki ndeni ya tauni ya Chuka. Cukuru yari ya Chuka ntugo ye munthi ta kuri ntugo ya withire ya ntugo iraingi. Arimu baba batuite itua ria kwithuka akiri cukuru-ini ya Chuka gukuthakuthia mwarimu munene Joan Muchina bakiugaga ikubura na gwikira banja mwarimu morogomete kiri cukuru inu.
I am writing to demand the arrest of Principal Chuka House Madam Joan Muchina for assaulting Madam Andeline Kale Mbulia TSC number this, a teacher at Chuka House yesterday. The same principal is alleged to have incited of Chuka House to back vehicles of some teachers when they get into the school. She also incited students during assembly yesterday, the 29th of August 2024, that they should not allow some teachers to teach them. Instead, they should beat them and throw them out.
Mbagaga ikwambiria tauni ya Chuka barathi mwankovi chini ya kithomo kunenkanira barua ciao cia mugomo. Umagu barathungira akiri gituo kia borichi gia Chuka kunenkanira barua gwataino. Na kumagu barekira kaguru mugongo mwanka ngitini ya cukuru ino arama igana njugujugu ikuburutanagia ngitini ino. Bakiugaga mwarimu Muchina no athire ara Muchina oreganite na ndeto cionthe ira bakunenkanira.
And if the teacher has any evidence she can bring forth. In my career for very many years, I cannot do that. This teacher who is saying she was assaulted sent messages to all the KUPPET was, I kept on receiving a lot of harassment, a lot of threats, and so I told the students that today we might expect visitors, and when the visitors come, they should be calm, and the police will come, so that when they see the police, they should not panic. I also explained to them that they always go to the big schools, and because our school is located in town, that is why they have chosen our school. So the students panicked. At first they were saying we are okay, but they panicked because they thought they were coming to attack them.
Mbere ya kunanga ngiti ino ya cukuru ino borichi barakinya na kubagiria batirabunjia ngiti ino na kuthungira cukuru. Indi baramba kambenja ya cukuru ino barabarani bakiugaga Muchina atire no karo cukuru ino. Nyuma ni arutwo aba cukuru ino baraba gukaraga ataka bakunogeretwe barauga ikwingirana na arimu baba baraba kugomete. Magana na magana ma arutwo baba baraumagaruka nyuma ya kubunjia na kunanga ngiti ya cukuru ino. Tayari gwikania nkono gwa nkono na arimu baba baraba kuigite kambi barabarani ndi borichi bakuri bagukinya na kubagiriria. Muthia borichi baraomba kwaragania arimu baba baraba kuigite kambenja ya cukuru ino. Indi ya arutwo bararega gukara cukuru barauga barenda kwinuka magana na magana mao menukite na magana mara mangi batigitwe cukuru. Kiripotera Weru TV kuma gicigo mbunge gia Chuka Gamba Ng'ombe mbitagwa Martin Mugambi.